Have you heard the term medical tourism? Wondering what it actually means? Well, let me take you back to the era when it all began. Not in luxury spas or designer clinics, but in ancient cultures where people traveled miles for healing herbs, hot water baths, and natural therapies. Talking about today, this particular has evolved into something massive, a booming global industry where people travel across borders for medical treatments and wellness experiences. And while we are on the topic, don't forget to subscribe to Beyond Healthcare, your ultimate destination for insights into global health trends, breakthrough treatments, and wellness journeys worth exploring. Now let's dive in. The intersection of medical and wellness tourism. In today's world, the lines between medical tourism and wellness tourism are beautifully blurring. Imagine a patient traveling for an IVF procedure, knee replacements, cancer treatment, orthopedic surgery, or even cardiac care, and choosing to recover in a peaceful wellness retreat offering yoga, clean nutrition, and stress relief therapies. It's the perfect blend of clinical care and holistic healing. Top wellness treatments that attract global tourists. So, what are these wellness services that tourists are so drawn to? Think spa therapies, detox and rejuvenation programs, Ayurvedic treatments, medication retreats, and even alternative healing methods like acupressure or naturopathy. These aren't just indulgences, they're forms of preventive healthcare. People are no longer just looking to fix a problem, they are seeking balance, energy, and mental peace, something standard treatment rooms can't always provide. Popular global destinations. Why India leads the way? Now let's talk destinations. Sure, you have probably heard of wellness hubs like Bali, Thailand, or Switzerland, but let's not forget the real heart of it all. India is not just the land of yoga and Ayurveda, it's also becoming the first choice for complex medical treatments like IVF, oncology, dental care, orthopedic procedures, organ transplants, and much more. And if you're wondering where in India, let me take you to Pune. Pune is a vibrant metropolitan city nestled in the western state of Maharashtra with a perfect blend of modern infrastructure and deep-rooted cultural heritage. Pune offers the best of both worlds. The climate here is mild and pleasant most of the year. The food culture is diverse, offering everything from street-side vada pav to global cuisines. The city is well connected through an international airport, reliable transport systems, and a growing metro rail network. It's also home to top medical colleges, renowned research centers, and world-class hospitals. With the presence of multiple MNCs and startups, Pune has a cosmopolitan mix of communities and a rich pool of medical expertise. This diverse environment enhances both patient care and post-treatment recovery in ways that feels comforting and personalized. So why is this combination of wellness and medical care so powerful? Because healing isn't just about surgery or medicine, it's about peace of mind. Wellness practices like meditation, massage therapy, clean diets, and mindfulness actually helps reduce recovery time, minimize complications, and improve overall patient satisfaction. In many destinations, patients choose to extend their stays after procedures like IVF, cancer care, dental work, or orthopedic surgery just to unwind in wellness retreats nearby. It's healing inside and out. The rise of medical conscious travelers. Today's travelers are different. They're health conscious, research driven, and looking for holistic solutions. They don't just want to get treated, they want to feel transformed. And with increasing awareness, international patients are realizing that they don't need to pay triple the price in the West when they can receive the same or better quality in places like India, with the added bonus of traditional healing wisdom. Whether it's for a complex organ transplant, cardiac care, fertility treatment, or just to detox and recharge, medical and wellness tourism is no longer an option. It's a movement altogether. So are you someone looking or planning for medical wellness or medical journey soon? Why not consider India and cities like Pune, where modern medicine meets mindful recovery? We'd love to hear your thoughts or experiences with wellness travel. Until the next time, stay well, stay curious, and remember your healing journey could begin with just one flight. Like, share, and subscribe to Beyond Healthcare.